Want to make your community members feel special? The Wishes and Festivals app allows you to send automated birthday, anniversary, and festival greetings. In this guide, we'll show you how to set it up. Once the Wishes and Festivals app is installed, you'll see a prompt to begin setup. Click Create to start configuring. The setup consists of 3 tabs: Birthday, Anniversaries, and Festivals. Let's go through them one by one. In the Birthday tab, you can personalize and automate birthday greetings. Click Add Template to set up custom birthday wishes. Choose up to 3 images to include in your birthday wishes. Next, write a personalized email message that will be sent automatically on members' birthdays. If birthdays weren't collected during registration, an error will appear. Make sure birthday fields are enabled in the Registration tab. Admins can preview the greeting in both the custom message preview and the email preview. Don't want to send birthday emails? You can deactivate this feature anytime. The Anniversaries tab works just like the birthday setup. You can add templates, preview messages, and deactivate anniversary wishes whenever needed. The Festivals tab allows you to send greetings for any special occasion, whether it's Diwali, Holi, Easter, Christmas, or a custom festival unique to your community. First, click Activate Festival to enable festival greetings. A success message will confirm that festivals are now active. Next, click Add Festival and fill in the festival details. You can name the festival, select a date, and upload a banner image or choose from preloaded templates. Customize the festival greeting with a personal message. Decide whether this festival should repeat every year, ideal for dates that fall on the same calendar day annually. If not, you can manually add it again at the start of the year. Click Save to finalize your festival greeting. Once saved, all added festivals will appear in a list. Admins can edit, deactivate, or preview any festival message at any time. That's it! Now you know how to set up automated wishes in Jambo. Strengthen your community connections with personalized greetings. For the latest updates, visit our help platform. See you in the next tutorial!